It is a very special day. Let's get into it. Got a little surprise for myself and for y'all. None other than a neon sign. I'm gonna get this hung up and flex on every other garage. Let's get into it. Thank you for your purchase. Your support is my greatest happiness. Goodbye. Man, oh man, I had a good Black Friday. If you can see, can't hide Harbor Freight deals. This is gonna be a quick and simple, hopefully painless tutorial on how to replace 3 drive belts on a B20B, or specifically for Honda SMX, may be very similar to Honda CRV RD1 97-01. And I discovered a little life hack here. Instead of going to the dealer and paying quadruple what you would for these belts, I went on Amazon. These are the Bando part numbers. Bando is the manufacturer of these belts for Honda. So if you buy this belt at the dealership, this is the exact same belt, but they put a Honda label on it and they charge 5 to 10 times more. Some of these belts are only $5 a piece, and it's the OEM belt. So I'm gonna go longest. This is for the power steering, 4PK895. Middle, this is for the AC compressor, 4PK845. And the shortest, 4PK820. This is the alternator belt. So let's get to it. When this light's on, you know it's on. Hood's popped, car prepped. I got the 3 belts on standby. I'm gonna show y'all. This is a B20B, same as a CRV. So I'm gonna be changing this belt right here, the alternator belt, and these 2 belts down here. I know it's kind of hard to see, but one's power steering, one's AC. I'm gonna start by taking off this wheel and get a view from down below. All right, so fortunately for me, but unfortunately for y'all, somebody has already changed these belts before, because they look pretty, like they're like brand new to me as far as belts go. So I don't actually have to change these, but I'll link a video that shows how to do it, and catch y'all in the next episode, or when I have something else to do. And thanks for watching.
You thought it was over.
Y'all didn't really think I was done, did you? This should give you a hint what I'm about to do next. When I first got this car, I drained the fluid and changed it. Since it's gotten colder, I've seen some flaring in certain gears, upshifting, downshifting. With the B series automatic, it's important to empty it, drive it, empty it, drive it. And so I am on my first dumping, my second dumping, so 5,000 mile old fluid dumping out. And I'm gonna put this in it, drive it some miles, then dump it again for the final time. And then hopefully that should resolve my flare. I'm about to get to my first dump. And hopefully that will resolve some problems before I do my second dump. Let's get to it. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. If you've been a long-time fan of mine, then you would have seen the video where I drained and filled this already, but this is the bolt that you loosen that has the transmission fluid. So I'm gonna hopefully do this a little bit easier than the first time. Let's see. Oh, way easier this time. What does that do? Here we go. Oh, that fluid looks so much better than what I pulled out of here 5,000 miles ago. Drain bolt here. I'll do a comparison to this versus first one I pulled out of here straight from Japan. See this black gunk. Nice and clean. Straight down here. This is the transmission fill plug down here. That's all for today, for tonight from Turk's Garage. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I'm gonna fill her up, drive it, warm it up, test the level again, and then just wait till the levels get good and then drive it some more. Then after 100 miles or so, then dump it out again and then test it again. So I hope this was informative. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Leave a comment down below if this helps you. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this. Leave a comment down below if you like leaving comments down below. I'll see y'all in another episode. Bye-bye. JK, y'all know it wasn't over until boom, baby. Bye-bye. Sensational.